Yes, sir. She over here looking all good. She all right. But
right here, the real me. I had to make the fulfill me. I had some folks trying to kill.
what's up, you guys? What it is, what it do, man? It's your boy Drethehardway, back in this thing with another video, man. There's a will, there's a way, because every day above ground's a good day. We're doing it the legit way. Now, no more ski man's way. Hope everybody out there taking care of themselves. Keep calm, taking care of yourself, man. Because like I said, man, health is well, especially through all this, everything that's going on right now. You know what I'm saying? Please take care of yourself, man. But I'm finna go up here. Well, I'm already up here, honestly. I was up here yesterday, man. They had a whole lot of new cars up here on the new side and on the used side, so I wanted to come up here and show y'all what they had. And you know, just to keep it straight like that. You know what I'm saying? So they had a few cars on the new side and on the used side. So right now I'm over on the used side. I'm gonna go around here real quick, man, show y'all what they got and all that type of stuff, man. But I hope everybody out there taking care of themselves. Hope everybody had a good and safe Thanksgiving, man. Hope you got fat food. Hope everybody enjoyed family and all that type of good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what comes along with the holidays, you know what I'm saying? Family and friends and loved ones, you know what I'm saying? But with that being said, man, come on, man, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to all the rest of 2020, and you can see, man, yeah, I'm Saints down, you know what I'm saying? Your boy is a Saints fan, you know what I'm saying? Even though I haven't been really keeping up with it this year, sports-wise, man, but, you know, it is what it is. You know, everything going on, everything is crazy right now. But I'm trying to make this video too long, man. I want to show y'all what they got on the new side, and I want to show y'all what they got on the used side. So if anybody interested in get a new car, man, because, you know, it's almost New Year's, so I know you people that get your income tax gonna be trying to get y'all a new car, but you must remember, they will be taking out that $1,200 they gave y'all, the stimulus package. They will be taking that back, all right? But I'm gonna get right into this video, man. I'm turning the camera around, you know what I'm saying? There's a will, there's a way, Drethehardway, man. Go make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, man, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting towards the channel, towards the car, towards the build and everything, man. But y'all just keep rocking with me, man. I'm gonna get on out here. I already been talking for 2.5 minutes, so, but I'm gonna turn this camera around, let y'all see what's going on. Oh, like I was saying, man, Chrysler Huffines Dodge Ram, Lewisville, Texas. Y'all can see, man, all the chargers. They still got this. I think they had that up there last time. That smoke gray. They got a black Charger. I see all the Chargers and stuff right here, man. They got Challengers down here on this side. Jeep. I see the plum. Smoke gray. I'm gonna come back before I get up out of here and see what the ticket is on that smoke gray one right there. And this one is right here. I think this is the 50th anniversary Challenger. It's still up here. Come on, man, it's still up here. It's 50th anniversary. It's probably too much for some, which I don't blame them. Y'all can see, man, 50th anniversary Challenger. You know what I'm saying? Y'all remember they had the stitching and everything all in the seats, 50, you know what I'm saying? And it is a stick. Just let y'all know it is a stick. Y'all remember this thing from the old video with the black stripe across it. This was not up here. I don't know what this is. It might be a V6 SXT. This is a Hemi RT. Oh, this is another 50th anniversary. Oh, man. We're getting all 50th anniversaries up here. Okay, we got another one. All right, they got another one right here, man. My bad. I was taking thumbnails and everything with the black top and everything, black trunk. You know what I'm saying? 50th anniversary on the seat. This one right here is a stick. The door is open. See, this one right here is a stick, y'all. Alcantara on the seats. 50th anniversary on the rugs. just so y'all can see, man. Let's see what the ticket is on this thing. I'm surprised this thing is really even open. It really shouldn't be open, but parking lot, I mean, it's probably closed. They probably gonna see it and be like, man, what that dude doing out there on the lot? So, 50,000. Hope y'all can see that. 34 without the bells and whistles. But yeah, man, y'all see the Hemi, the silver Hemi thing right there. They got a bunch load of Ram 1500s back in. So this is a Charger V6 black top, 29, 32, all the bells and whistles. It's like a forest green, but this also a V6. Also, that's also a V6. Also, I think this Palmer right here, this is a V6 also. Is that the same color green or this same color green? Same color green. I think this is also a V6. Yeah, V6, V. Yeah, so all these right here, except this one right here. This right here is a GT. This is a GT. And that one is a V6 also, but this is a GT. Y'all see, man, 31, 34, all the bells and whistles. Yeah, man, I just wanted to come up here and show y'all, man, what they had new on the lot, man, just so y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Just so y'all can see what they had new. You want anything, man, come up here, holler at Miguel. Is the guy you want to talk to on the new side. Joe Kubec is the guy on the used side. I'm heading to the used side right now. Let me go ahead. Snap me another thumbnail. Bam. Alright, so I know, man, it's cold out here too, man. Yeah, man, y'all see your boy. You know what I'm saying? In my Saints gear and shit. Hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my baby over here, alright, ain't nobody over here tampering with it and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Alright. She looking good. Let me go ahead and make sure though. Let me turn this camera out for me, man. I'm gonna turn this camera back around, man, when I get over here to the used side so y'all can see what they got, alright? Yes, sir. She over here looking all good. She alright. But I should go ahead and make that. Should I make that my? Nah, that's too much, man. Let me get over here. Like I said, I'm trying to make these videos too long, man. I'm gonna start shortening them up. That just means y'all gonna start seeing less of me, but I'm sure that's all good. I'm gonna turn this camera back on, man, when I get back over there. Man, it is cold. When I say it is cold, man, it is cold. Like temperature like 45 degrees right now. So this shows y'all, man, the dedication, man. What I want to show y'all. I really want y'all to come out here, man, and get a car from them, man. Tell them Drethehardway sent you. But come on, man. Like I said, this is a used side. So it might be a RT. GT. There y'all go. 2018 GT. They're asking for 32 for that. But that ain't even the reason why I came through here yesterday, man. I got to let y'all see this. I know they're closed today, but that's alright. I'm Drethehardway, man. They got 392 Durango right here, man, which is my favorite. With the red seats. You know what I'm saying? They got a RT right there. But this 392 right here though, man. That's RT thing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see SRT on the seats. Yeah, man. 6 Brembo. Brake pads on that thing, all white. I think it got a sunroof also. It's got a sunroof also. I think they just got this, so they hadn't really put no paperwork on it, and they got the Hellcat hood on it too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And then they got the Hemi RT right here. Challenge RT thing right here, 30,000. RT Plus, 2017. Oh, and it's open. And it come with leather seats and everything, man. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I like that leather. I like that leather. One thing I do wish, man, that Dodge would start doing to these cars, man. Go ahead and put some seat warmers in the cars, man. I appreciate that y'all have started upgrading the tire size on the cars to 275, 2025. 275, 45, 20, I think is what it is. But man, I'm glad that they all listened to everybody, man, and started changing stuff up. And man, look at they got 392 right there with a big wing on that thing. Y'all see, man, they got that's a V6. That's also a V6. That's also a V6. That's a V6. That's a scat pack. That purple thing right there, that's a scat pack. See, this is a V6, 2018, man. That's a scat pack right there. That's not bad. 40, 2019, 16,000 miles. Interior look like mine, just got a scat pack on the. I don't know, man. I don't know. They've been constantly trying to put me in a charge. Like, yeah, you want to trade your car in? Is what they said. Like, man, not really. I'm like, man, come on, we got some good deals going on, but we can put you in the Charger. Like, bro, I really don't care for the Chargers, but they all right. Me, cause I'm a Challenger guy. If I'm a upgrade, it's gonna be another Challenger, and it's also gonna be a Hellcat. Bottom line. But y'all see this thing right here too, man. Also, scat pack. I already come with the wicker bill and everything on it for you. Ain't nothing really too fancy about the interior, no red seats or nothing like that. But you know, you got some friends or some homeboys or whatever. Even if your car already got red seats in it, and it's a GT or RT, man, take the seats out of there, man. Take the seats out, change them out, or you got a homeboy or whatever, change them out, man. Bring the car up here, man, trade it in, cause they ain't really gonna pay that no attention, honestly. But look what we got right here. Six piston bimbos on that thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Somebody put in some work on this. You took the time to add that little SRT pouch sticker right there, you know what I'm saying? Look, they probably added this wing. Look, they probably added the wing. Interior, exterior, you can see. Yeah, man, y'all see it, man. Huffines pre-owned Chrysler Dodge, Jeep and Ram, Lewisville, man. She want this car. She want those cars, man. Come on, shop with them, man. Tell them Drethehardway sent you. We got a nice little Challenger back there. I will go back there, man. I really don't feel like they ain't really got a whole lot out there. So they let me know too. So they just got a whole lot of these new cars in. They let me know too. So they've been quite big trying to get new inventory. But 392 smoke gray. It already come with the 5-inch tips too. I didn't even see that. You know what I'm saying? It already come with the 5-inch tips. Or those 4-inch tips. I could be wrong. But that's gonna conclude this little shing ding of this little recording for today, man. Like I said, I just wanted to come up here and let y'all see what they had on their lot, because I was up here yesterday and they had a buttload of cars that I had never seen before. You know what I'm saying? I still think that those still not all the cars that I seen yesterday when I came up here. But it's all good, man. The link will always be in the description. Huffines Chrysler Dodge, Jeep and Ram, man. It's your boy Drethehardway, man. There's a will, there's a way. Every day above ground's a good day. We doing it the legit way now. No more ski man. It's great. Come on, shop with it, man. Tell them your boy sent you. I'm out this thing. Peace.